Let us take a look at the key project management principles. The first and the most important one is value delivery. As project managers, one must strive to deliver value to the customer consistently, and we have to maximize the value delivery to the customer. A customer might have started a project with some intended benefits in mind. And if the project doesn't deliver it, the project is a failure. So PMI has even revised the success criteria of projects to include this. Because till recently, the success criteria of the project was revolving around the triple constraints of time, cost, and scope. So we used to say that a project is successful if it is completed on time, within budget, and met the scope. That is no more valid. So the revised success criteria is the project is successful if it is completed on time, within budget, and met the scope and delivered the intended value for which it was started in the first place. Whenever we start a project, there is a business case associated with it, and that business case must be realized at the end of the project. Otherwise, the project is a failure. And the second one is proactiveness. As project managers, we have only two choices. Either we can be reactive or we can be proactive. What is reactiveness? Something has happened and then we come out with corrective actions. For example, a schedule variance happened and we come to know about it and we have to do some corrective actions. Or a cost overrun happened and then we come to know about it and we have to react to it or we have to take some corrective actions. And what is proactiveness? If we are able to forecast, that is, if the project is going like this, when it gets over, the cost overrun is going to be this much. If we can forecast that, that is before the problem, if we can identify the problem, we can take preventive actions. So, as a project manager, we have to focus on more and more preventive actions. For this, we use two types of indicators: lead indicators and lag indicators. A lag indicator means schedule variance is a lag indicator. That means schedule variance happened and then we come to know about it. Cost variance is a lag indicator because whenever a cost variance happens, we come to know about it. But at the same time, if you can forecast, that is estimated completion, that is a lead indicator. So before the problem, before the cost overrun happens itself, we can forecast it. So as project managers, if we can rely on more and more lead indicators, then we can become more effective and we can drive the project to success and we can maximize the value delivery to the client. And the next point, PMI is giving lot of emphasis for this particular aspect these days. That is focus on sustainability. That means when we do a project, it should not deplete the resources. Okay, see, we can make a great building today, but it should not be at the cost of the future generations. For that, we use things like net zero buildings, recyclable material, least environmental impact, and we may proactively think about decommissioning the building as well, because it should have bare minimum environmental impact. PMI is giving lot of emphasis on sustainability, because sustainability has to be engineered into the deliverable of the project, starting from early engineering onwards. And as project managers, we should take ownership for the success and failure of the project. If a project is successful, maybe everybody may share the benefit or the glory. But at the same time, if something goes wrong with the project, it is the project manager who has to take responsibility. So as project managers, we have to ensure that the project is successful, the project is within budget, the project is within schedule, and the project is according to the agreed upon scope, and the project deliver maximum value to the client as intended when we started the project. So project manager is the CEO of the project. So we have to literally plunge into the project, take ownership, and make things happen proactively. That is the essence of modern day project management. I'll give you a link to the corresponding page in the PMdistilled guide in the description of this particular of this video. So you can click on the link and go to the corresponding page in the PMdistilled guide. There you will get more information. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you very much.